Here we go. This is the map of Ukraine, the Donbass line of control. I have been following this conflict for quite some time, monitoring the actions of the Russian military as well as the Ukrainians, the so-called NATO mercenaries involved. The Australian Defence Force have obviously contributed to this conflict insofar as providing numerous Australian military assets such as Bushmasters and other military armoury. Rumour has it that even the Abrams have been rumoured to be on its way. Interestingly enough, there's the Shoigu PMC, known as the Patriots, which are embedded within Bakhmut, and they are responsible for the